we're going to be learning how to perform addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Right, so we're going to be looking at a couple of examples, starting with example 1. Now in example 1 we want to simplify. On part A we have 2m over 3 plus 5m over 3. We also have a part B in which we have 5x plus 4 divided by 7, and it's minus x plus 1 divided by 3. So that is our part A and our part B. Right, so I know you may want to maybe attempt these problems by yourself before you check out my solution, so I'll be giving you just 3 minutes to solve these problems A and B starting from now. Alright, so here's the solution for this problem. Starting with part A, we have 2m over 3 plus 5m over 3. Right, so for these algebraic fractions, you can see that they all have the same denominator, common denominator, which is 3. Because of that, we simply add the numerators. So we'll be adding 2m plus 5m, and the denominator they'll be sharing, they'll be having the same common denominator. So we'll be having 2m plus 5m, we said we get 7m, and it will be over the common denominator, which is 3. And that's simply how we manipulate this one. Part A. We also have part B. Let's go on to part B. We have 5x plus 4 over 7, and it's minus x plus 1 over 3. With this one, you see we do not have the same denominators for both terms, for both algebraic fractions, like we did on part A. So it's not going to be simply a matter of subtracting the numerators like we did in part A. In part B, since we have different denominators, then what we do is we look for the lowest common multiple for the denominators for 7 and 3, and this will give us the denominator of 21. 21 is the LCM for 7 and 3, so that if we divide 7 into 21, we get 3, and if we multiply 3 by the numerator here, which is 5x plus 4, then we'll be getting 3 of 5x plus 4. We do the same, we divide 3, and we divide 3 into 21, right, and we get 7. So we multiply 7 by the numerator here, which happens to be minus x plus 1, so we'll be getting minus 7 of x plus 1. So that's simply how we handle this this subtraction of our two fractions that we have right here. Alright, so let's simplify. So here we're just simplifying the numerator, the brackets. We start with the first one. We have 3 multiplied by 5x, and we get 15x. We have 3 multiplied by 4, and what do we get? We get 12. We have minus 7 multiplied by x, we get minus 7x, and we have minus 7 multiplied by 1, we get minus 7, and this is all divided by 21. We continue simplifying the numerator. We have like terms 15x minus 7x, and that'll give us 8x. We also have the numbers 12 minus 7, and that'll give us 5, and it's all over the common denominator, the lowest common multiple, 21. And that's the solution right there for our part B. So I think you are seeing here from these two examples how we have to solve or to add or subtract algebraic fractions. The most important thing here is, especially this part right here, many students make a lot of mistakes on this part. Most of the time, you see, when they divide 7 into 21 and they get 3, then when they want to multiply 3 by 5x plus 4, they do it like this: 3 times 5x plus 4. And this is a bit tricky because in this case it means you only multiply 3 by 5x, and they'll be neglecting now that there is a plus 4. So it will be rather better for you to do it the way I did it right here, where I simply had to multiply 3 by 5x plus 4 this way, using the bracket, so that I know that this 3 will be multiplying both 5x and 4. So that's another important thing that you also need to know. Alright, so let's look at one more example, and this one I also want you to do it by yourself, and try to see if you can bring out the correct answer. So in this case we want to simplify the fraction. We have 7 over 12 and it's minus 2x plus 1 over 3, and it's plus 3x out of 4. So I want you to pause this video again and maybe try to work out this problem. I'm going to be giving you 3 minutes as well. Alright, so let's check out the solution. Remember we said we first look for the lowest common multiple, LCM, for our denominators. So when we have our fraction 7 over 12 minus 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 3x over 4, we look for the LCM of 12, 3 and 4, and it happens to be 12. Next we divide 12 into 12, we get 1, and we multiply 1 by 7 and we still get 7. Next we divide 3 into 12, we get 4, and 4 multiplied by the numerator, in this case we have a minus there, so it will be minus 4 of 2x plus 1. Next we go on to 4, we divide 4 into 12, and 4 into 12 we get 3, we multiply 3 by the numerator 3x, so we get 3 of 3x. And now we simplify the numerator right there, and when we simplify the numerator, that means we'll be having 7 minus 4 times 2x, we get minus 8x, and minus 4 times 1 we get minus 4, and 3 by 3x we get 9x. This is all divided by 12. We can continue simplifying this, and we'll be having 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. That's 7 minus 4, right? And we also have minus 8x plus 9x. Minus 8 plus 9 is 1, so minus 8x plus 9x we get plus x, and this is all divided by 12, and this is the solution to this problem right here. Well, congratulations if you got this one correct, well done. If not, I want you to maybe play back the video and try to see if you can learn more from how I was working these problems, and afterwards I'm going to be giving you more examples to work out, so that you may do it better in solving these algebraic fractions.